Hello and welcome. I am RJMT. Today, we will be making an Afrobeat guitar type beat in FL Studio. I'll be recording my own guitar. Also, stick around to the end of the video if you want to get the guitar loop for free. So I started the beat by recording two guitar rhythmic parts panned differently. When you play both together, it makes the guitar sound more full. Then I recorded another part for the embellishments. All three tracks together sounds like this. I then recorded an intro section. And this part for the verse. Same procedure, two different tracks panned left and right. And lastly, these riffs. I also recorded a guitar solo, but we would play that later with the finished beat at the end of the video. Let me quickly run through the guitar processing. First plugin I used was Pro Q3, high cuts and low shelf, to make the guitar sound less bright and to bring up the warmth. The next was Fruity Parametric EQ 2, removing harsh frequencies, Tape Cassette 2 for the lo-fi sound, Echo Boy for delay, and Fruity Reverb 2. I then put down this drum pattern. Very simple, but notice the little changes I added in the second 8 bars. So next, I added a Rhodes. Added this flute as a lead in the chorus. Also added this arpeggio because why not? Moving on to the bass, this is what I came up with. It also had this sustained part for the chorus. Hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, hit the like, smash the subscribe and share with someone you know would love this too. The last thing I added was a piano improv solo, some ambience, and after spending little time arranging, let's listen to the full beat. RJMadeThis Guitar. As we've come to the end of the video, I want to thank you for sticking this far. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm giving out the guitar loop for free, and if you want the loop to do your own thing on it, send me a message on Instagram at RJ_made_this and I will send it to you for free. If you do want to support me though, you can order one of my gigs from Fiverr and get your own customized guitar loop. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about beat making, music production, or you enjoy song breakdown videos. Till next time, have a good one.